Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. Today I'm going to talk to you as if you are in the trucking industry, IRS taxes. We are kind of specialists for the trucking industry. Um, Anyway, I have worked at IRS for 10 years. I have been a former IRS agent, teaching instructor. I've been in private practice for 40 years. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff and attorneys. You can go to my website at 777irs.com. That's 3 7s. And you can see my whole team of former IRS agents. I've been on the national news a lot, like 10 times, I think, in the last 3 months. You can see all my news interviews and me in a coat and tie, but I've been on all the major stations. I ask my opinion, believe it or not, on stuff. I do these videos so you don't get ripped off. You hear the truth about your situation, and just you can make good educational decisions about what you need to do on your case. I want to talk to you today, if you're in the trucking industry and you owe IRS taxes, I kind of have a lot of truckers and a lot of people in the business. And, the trucking industry is hard. There's a lot of expenses associated with that, just tires alone, and just all the fuel and just all the regulations of 11 hours and all the restraints that they put on people when they can drive, when they can't drive, checking their logs, getting ticketed, can be shut down. Most of the people, a lot of people in the trucking industry have a hard time keeping up with estimate tax payments because they have so many just expenses. They just can't keep up with them, so it's very easy for them to go ahead and run up debt over years and years and years of unfiled returns and not being in compliance. And I understand that. So we have a system and a streamlined system to get you back in good graces with Internal Revenue Service. And basically, it just starts with pulling your transcripts and just getting your tax returns done. We can reconstruct your tax returns whenever we need to because we understand the expenses related to the industry. And God, you just a tire alone. Come on. You guys have a lot of expenses. But what we try to do is get you back on track. We make sure you have an LLC if that's what you need. Make sure you get the proper deductions. Make sure you get current, and then we work out a settlement with Internal Revenue Service. So we understand your pain. We have a lot of people in the trucking industry that we represent. So if you are in that industry and you're having a tough time and you have a tough time paying your debt and your estimate tax payments and you need your tax returns filed, give us a call. We're kind of specialists in that industry. By the way, no matter who you are, you listen to me. If you give me a subscription, that's important to me because YouTube loves subscriptions, so I have to love them. So thank you very much. I appreciate you.